Pinwheel breeze block a ticket back to childhood. For many of us, childhood memories are closely tied to simple pinwheel spinning gently in the wind, small, joyful moments that seem to fade with time. Inspired by this familiar image, Viettiles has gracefully brought those memories back to life through the Pinwheel breeze block, blending nostalgia with modern design. The Pinwheel stands out with its unique 3D pattern, beautifully crafted on both the inner and outer surfaces. Thanks to its open and creative design, lighting can be installed inside the breeze block wall, creating a soft, sparkling lighting effect that adds warmth and charm to your space, especially at night. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the Pinwheel breeze block is also highly functional, offering effective rain protection suitable for Vietnam's climate. You can confidently use it for fillets, fences, or interior partitions. More than just a building material, the Pinwheel is a special ticket that brings you back to the innocent and beautiful memories of childhood.